Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I got the package from the mail, so I apologize and try and make videos. I hear banging noise. Here's another package in the box, so I'll do another video again. So then we got two packages today from today. So let's get it a little bit. So look at these stuff records. Give me one moment, you guys, and I want to see YouTube stuff. I want to see my dress again. So yeah. Okay. Cool. Alright. There you go. Alright, we got the awesome sticker. And then this band's from my good friend Paul, because I saw Instagrams and stuff. So awesome sticker. Big shout out to Paul, because he's music killer. So I love that band so much. And this one is a business card. Let's switch to music and death metal. Underground and the old school death metal, because I never heard of it. So go check out the Bandcamp or go check out the website. So don't miss out. It got awesome sticker, flyers. So this is why the sticker, and so to move the business card. So we got same sticker, the logos, and we got notes. They says, Joshua, thank you again for your support in buying the send them from the music artist by Paul. And awesome Paul, thank you. And awesome flyers and bands. This is my favorite band, and this is my favorite one. But I don't know what this band is, and please give comments below. You see you see a white one, the logos. So I don't know. It's about which death metal, new vibe, old school death metal, but the death metal legends. So awesome, killer. So thank you. And I got, of course, they sent me the guitar pick. Awesome, killer. Thank you. And also we got cassettes. So excuse me. And signed by Paul, because this is blue cassette tape. So yeah, awesome, killer. And so awesome bands. Can't wait to listen to music. I will enjoy album, join Roxy. So I love rocks and enjoying peaceful. And so thank you, Paul. Please send me this. So yeah, awesome tapes. Move this tape over here. Just a case. They got CDs, badass CDs, the same album. So it's like an album like the past, like 2023 demo, 2002, 1993 EP. Sorry, in 1993 in the live TV show Dog of the Dead. In 1992 doubles and 92s. In 2025 last year. So it's a different album or soundtrack, whatever call it. So by signed Paul. and then just about thing. Sorry guys, I'll make videos in the boxing behind me, the package in my bag. So signed by Paul. Awesome killer. So same photos and bands and artists. So awesome killer, old school death metal. So hopefully try. So yeah, CDs next. I got this band camp from the Flyers. So I have one because I saw Patch sent me this. So like, okay, why not? So, and we got Wake the album. I don't know what year it is. Unfortunately, I don't know. Awesome, sick, killer. This band. So, an awesome CD. So yeah, this over. So awesome stuff. We got this guy's his name Paul because he's in the vocals, the guitars, and awesome killer. So big shout out my good friend Paul. So I love supports and I love this band. I love old school death metal. So yeah. Moving on. Just give me 1 second, guys. Move this stuff away. So just in case it fall off. When am I get break here? This is I don't know. It's so hard to explain. Now how get to it? Oh well. Yeah. No, easy peasy. So this is awesome CDs. This is 1993, I believe so. Yeah, it's a little old school. So it's so bit selling. Oh boy. No, it happens. It happens again a lot. It happens now. I'll change the CDs. That's okay. I'll do it. Weird. I'll snap pictures and social media stuff. So awesome. So yeah, awesome stuff. Music killer. It's about like a 30 years anniversary, I guess. So yeah. So yeah, awesome killer. So yeah, awesome. This year. So it's great super job. Big to Paul. I really appreciate it. So yeah. That's it for the video. That's it for the video, you guys. I really appreciate it. Give me likes up, give me comments below. Really dig this video. So don't forget to subscribe. And don't be the notification bell. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagrams, all stuff. So yeah. Like Excuse me. Anyways, stay metal, stay brutal.